Good morning. Today we are going to be talking about what does it mean to call a place home. Today is Monday, June 1st, which means it is now officially Pride Month. We're going to be reading a story called The Seafarer. We're going to be working on some comprehension questions and some word study. Our objective is I can apply appropriate strategies to notice, annotate, connect, respond to ideas in a short story to analyze elements of word commonalities and Latin roots in The Seafarer. So we're trying to figure out what does it mean to call a place home. Is it a person, a place, object, a feeling, an idea, or is it an actual physical house? You're going to click on the video that will be on the screen to listen to and read The Seafarer. It is also in Pearson, so if you need to physically read it, you can read it there. We're going to work on some comprehension questions. So according to the speaker, what tale does this poem relate? What does the speaker say all men feel when they see the sails of a ship unfurl? And according to the speaker, what has happened to the world's honor? Then we're going to do some Latin roots, and we're going to do an exit slip, which looks like this. So your 3 comprehension questions, please answer these. Then we're going to look at 3 things. We're going to look at forms of address. So there's 3 different ways that you can address someone. You can use point of view, direct address, or implied address. Point of view, authors determine which point of view to use by the voice they choose to relate the events. In direct address, the speaker speaks right to the audience. And implied address, the readers must figure out who the audience is from the clues in the text, so basically inference. So for each of these, you're going to label what kind of address it is, the audience that it's intended for, and the word or words that suggest audience. So you'll do that. Then we're going to move on to Latin roots, which today we're going to be looking at soul. Each word below uses the root soul. Circle the word that fits in each sentence. If necessary, use a dictionary to help you. So you'll basically be highlighting whichever one of these 2 options best fits in the sentence. So for example, number 1, his violent behavior landed him in soliloquy or solitary. Well, we know that soliloquy is a speech, so our answer would be solitary. So you'll highlight it, you'll come up here, and you'll do that. Boom, that's my answer for that particular one. You'll do that as well as here. So write the correct word from part A on the corresponding line. If necessary, use the dictionary to help you. Either answer choice may be used. So that's what you're doing here. All right. Then finally, we're going to do development of theme. So a universal theme is an idea about life that is expressed in just about every culture and era. It is a message that every reader will recognize. Some universal themes are about the value of love, the need for honesty, and the horrors of war. A culturally specific theme is more meaningful to some cultures than others. For example, themes about unwavering obedience of offspring and ancestor worship are themes in some Asian cultures, but not all cultures. A culturally specific theme might also relate to a work's historical context or the time period in which it was written. Literary works may have several different themes. One theme might be universal and the others might be culturally specific. So for each of these, you're going to read the section. You're going to tell me if it's historical theme or a culturally specific theme for each one of these 4. All right, I know these are tough times. If you guys need anything, if you need to talk, please just email me, let me know. Stay safe.